Hi, this is a quick video demo on how to create a Hello World program using Visual Basic in Visual Studio 2022 on Windows 11 machine. So the first thing I want to do is to start Visual Studio 2022. I'm also following the instruction that's posted on Blackboard for this assignment, so feel free to follow through. So first thing you want to do is to just click on the Create a New Project. And on top of the search bar here, type in a Windows Forms. I already typed this, so I'm going to select that and press return. So you have some choices here. Make sure that you are selecting the right one because a lot of them look similar. So what you want to pick is this guy right here. Let me bring it to the top here. Windows Forms app .NET framework as a Visual Basic, Windows, and desktop, right? So select this and then click Next. So here, give it a name. I don't know, something like hello, and then maybe your last name. I'm going to say Kim 2 or something like that. And then remember this here. So I'll copy this location and then put them on my notepad here so that I'll remember where to go because I'm going to need it later. Check the box here for the same directory. Framework 4.72 is okay. You may have other choices and just click on Create. So this is how it opens up. You should be able to see something similar to this. If you don't see the toolbox here, you can go to the view here and choose a toolbox because you should be able to see that. We're going to add two items here. The first thing that we're going to add is the button, so just double click on it and it should appear. So just put it here somewhere. And then we're also going to put a label here. So find the label, just double click on it, or you can drag it, put it like right over there. Okay. So with the label selected, look at the properties here, and under the appearance here on the property box, the text is label 1, and you can see the label 1 here. So it changes text from label 1 to something like click a button below or something like that. Okay, and then if you press enter, you will see that it is changed. So the text that we just changed is the text that is on the an item, but we also want to change the name for it. Let me make this a little bit bigger here, and then maybe under the design, the name of this item is called label 1. So the convention is to use the first 3 letters for what it is, so LBL, and then give it a descriptive name, so like direction or something like that. And just press enter. Nothing changes here that you see, but that is the name and this is just the text. Now we're going to work on the button here, so choose this button here, come over to the properties, and maybe the first thing that we want to do is to change the color. So for the back color here, I'll do a drop down here, click the custom, and change to green or something that you like, right? Green right there. Maybe that's a lime, I don't know. I could say that's more of a, whatever works. And then under the text here, just like the label, we want to change to something more descriptive that people can see. So I'm going to just say click me here or something, okay? Then you see that click me has appeared there. And then just like the label, we want to look under the design here. The name of this item is called button 1, but the convention is BTN, and give it a name, description. So like click me. Okay, so that's the name. And so that's the layout and the design. We're going to now program. And the actionable item is on this guy here, so I'm going to, see, double click. And if you double click on it, this skeletal structure comes in. And that's the click me button. And so you want to type in where the cursor is flashing as what I wrote on the display for the instruction. So basically, what I'd like you to type is something like this, right? Basically a message box and the message you want to type in. Okay, so I'm going to move this out of the way and then type right here MSG box, and then the helpful choices come. So I'm just going to press tab and then press the button parentheses, and then I'm just going to say hello world, this this is John Doe. That's it. Okay, and now we're going to test it by clicking the start button at the top. So just click on it and it starts to build, and I see the display on the other monitors. I'll bring it over here. So this is how it looks like. I didn't line up or whatever, but this is the output. And then um, this is just a label, so it just displays. It says click me, right? So I'm going to click it, and this message comes up: hello world, this is John Doe. So that's basically all you have to do. Maybe not completely, but here, this you want to take a screenshot of this, something like this would be good right here, because it shows me, all this stuff here. So that'd be good, and just paste it on the Word doc and submit that. So that's part one. Oh, you're almost done. So you just click OK here, and then you probably want to save all. Okay, and then now I want you to send me this file or project or this program in a zip format. So I remember to paste. So this is where my program is going to be. So I'm going to just copy this and then move this out of the way. And then maybe I'll just do that and go to my folder. I'm just going to paste it up here. And here I have, this is the latest one that I created here. I've created a whole bunch of them. So make sure you pay attention to the time. And then if you double click to open it, there's a whole bunch of them here, right? So there's the forms and solutions and projects. So instead of sending me like one by one or whatever, I need all this to be able to test your program out. So all you have to do is just right click on it, and you can, depending on your OS, you can compress, you can zip it. So I'm just going to do that. Well, I'm going to actually cancel it here. I'm going to cancel mainly because my program here is still running, right? So I'm going to, I think I saved it, but just in case, I'm going to close it out, right click it, and then compress to 7-zip or whatever, and then here it is, right? So you can say, yeah, that's okay. And then you can attach this to the submission. Okay, so you just need to submit two things: the zip file here and the screenshot. Hope that helps out. Bye.